I'm going to be changing the filter on a furnace. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, product reviews, vacation videos, and much, much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. A client just asked me if I could change their air filter in their furnace, so I decided to go ahead and do that. This is a Goodman furnace, and I'm going to be changing the filter because it's been quite some time that the filter's been changed. I've been told by the client probably a few years. So I haven't opened this up yet, and we're about to see what's inside. I do have a matching filter that's going to replace the old one. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do that. This can be done with any furnace. Just make sure that you know the furnace that you have, either the model number. You can check around the air filter and there'll be a little doorway. That's where the air filter goes. Just check around for a sticker, a model number, and that's where you're going to get the information to know what size filter that you're going to need to purchase for the furnace. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to open up the cover that gives me access to the old filter, and I'm going to pull that out and take a look how dirty the filter is. And this should be done every 3 to 6 months. You should be changing your furnace filter, obviously for cleaner air. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and pull on this, and there's a couple tabs, and we'll see what we have inside. Oh yes, okay. Okay, oh gosh. Yeah, that's definitely a result of not changing the air filter for, oh gosh, that looks like a few years on there. This is bad because you're breathing this stuff in. So you want to make sure that you are on top of this, you stay on top of this, and make sure that you do frequently change the air filter. So I will be discarding this, and I'm just going to go ahead and install the new one right away. Just check to make sure everything is clean. There's nothing blocking the air intake going into the furnace. And if you look on the air filter that you'll be purchasing, you will see a directional arrow that shows which way the air is supposed to flow through the filter. Of course, this is your air intake. This is your furnace. So the air, cold air return goes this way. So the arrow should be pointing towards the furnace. That's where the furnace will heat the air, or the AC is bringing the cold air in. So I'm just going to go ahead and install this. Okay, now with the air filter installed, I'm going to put the cover back on. And that's secure. Now, don't forget, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to possibly purchase one of these filters or a combination of different filters. Check on Amazon. You can either buy the singles or you can buy them in a value pack and get about 3 to 4 of them, and that'll keep you going for just over a year. I also wanted to talk to you about another product that's installed on this furnace. It's a Swordfish ultraviolet air treatment system. This is really excellent. It actually cleans the air that you're breathing, gets rid of bacteria, dirt and stuff like that in the air. It's really, really good, and you actually can notice the difference in your breathing, the quality of the air. It's just almost like a UV sterilizer that you would see on a fish tank, how well that cleans the water. Well, this is now for a furnace, and this cleans the air. Actually, the bulb is burnt out, and I do have a replacement bulb. You only have to replace the bulbs maybe every couple of years, and this, it's now time for it to be replaced. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Keep watching the channel for an upcoming video. I will be installing one of these, so check out that in the other videos. So this is just quite simple. It installs on your cold air return, and you just have to drill a little bit of a hole, I love this product because they actually give you the drill bit with it included for you to do it yourself. So once you drill that hole, you just have to tap screws into the side, and then your bulb slides right through. And of course, you just need constant power, and then you're in business. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open and get the bulb out. I'll show you what that looks like. So here we go. And here's the bulb, nicely packaged. Okay, I'm gonna slide this out. Okay, and there's the bulb like so. Now, just be careful. You don't want to ever power this looking at it because it can damage your eyes. You have to be very, very careful with that. So here on the swordfish, it will click into place, and you can see it's got 4 prongs. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that until that clicks, just like so. Okay. 1 sec. I'm just going to make sure that's right in. And that should lock into place. Yes, it did. Okay. So now I'm going to insert this into the hole. Okay. And that's going to turn. And I already have the power installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug that in. And here we go. It says power's on. And I can always just check. I can check to make sure the light is actually going just simply by opening up the door to the filter, and I can see there's the light there. You can see it on the left side. So it is working and it's ready for use. I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description if you're interested in getting one of those swordfishes as well as the air filters. That's it. It's that simple. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.